bro. Doggy won't play catch. He's doing on. Play catch with the doggy.
Don't do that to
Oh, be nice to Sasha. Poor Sasha.
Ready?
Nice doggy.
Catch it!
Oh, almost, Vivi. Big throw, Lexus. Oh.
Get it. You better get it. You better. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see what it's playing with. I'm a car.
Where's the, show Alexis the bug. Where's the bug?
Oh, the big fly? The big fly?
Probably two. Yeah, there's a spider in there, honey.
Hi. Oh, I think I have a Barbie that kind of like this. Oh, yeah, this used to be mine when I was...
It was yours?
Yeah.
What do you got? Candy. That's from Lexi. You want to give her one?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Maybe you have to break it in half.
I'm going to give her the sweet one. I don't think she'll like... Wait, baby. Let me see that. Let me see that.
Guess what happened this morning?
Sissy will...
I found a baby bird in the backyard that Sasha got. It's on top of the air conditioner out there, Jim, the one that's not running. Because
Was it dead with the head off?
she broke its neck, but it was still breathing. And I told Dad, I go, what am I supposed to do? He goes, I didn't want to put it in the trash because there's nothing in there. It's empty, and I didn't want to put it, so maybe I better wrap it up in a bag. It's on top of the air conditioner. Hey, what are you doing to your pretty hair? She took off her headband.
It will taste really good.
Yeah, but did you give her the whole one?
Yeah.
Oh, Vivi, I don't know.
It's chewy. It's chewy. It's not hard.
Honey.
It won't choke.
Here, Vivi, let Grandma break it in half. Wait, that's too big. Take a bite. Good girl. Take a bite. Did she put the whole thing in her mouth?
She knows how to chew it. It's soft.
Honey, are you sure it's soft?
Yeah, it's soft. See?